This is a promotional video for our work titled Fair Allocation Over Time with Applications to Content Moderation. My name is Xuan, and I'm currently working at Meta, and this is a joint work with many of my colleagues. So here's the problem we want to solve. Meta contracted with many vendor partners who provide us with human reviewers who can work on different problem or work types that arise from the platform, and to ensure that the platform is safe and healthy. Due to training constraints, not all vendor partners can work on all work types, and that's the skill mapping that you see on the graph here. On the supply side, the contract tells us how many workload hours each vendor partners can provide. And on the demand side, we have a demand forecast model that predicts for each work type how many workload hours is needed at 30 minutes interval. And the problem we want to solve is to schedule this workforce to the work types given these three inputs. So the challenge of this problem as compared to a traditional supply-demand matching problems are the following two components. The first is oversupply. Oftentimes, the total supply is greater than the total demand. And because of this, we want an algorithm that can distribute the oversupply fairly to the different work types. And the second challenge is the time component. Oftentimes, vendor partners desire schedule guidelines that are at 30 minutes interval. And that's why we have the demand forecast done at 30 minutes interval. And due to this granularity, vendor partners oftentimes desire schedule guideline that is as smooth as possible. And to make things a little bit more complicated, vendor partners oftentimes operate at different time zones with different working hours. To solve this problem, we formulate the problem as an optimization problem as an Eisenberg-Gill program with regularization terms related to smoothness.